have loads of free time. So I thought, why not try something new and share it with you guys. So we should not watch electronics during our summer vacation and instead become active and try something new. So today we will be making fake snow. Can you believe that? Okay, so first we need shaving foam. Make sure not to use any shaving cream or any shaving gel. Only shaving foam. And our second ingredient is cornstarch. We don't need too much of cornstarch, just a little is enough. And then we need a spoon to mix. So first we're going to open the shaving foam and make sure you have an adult with you while doing this, because it can hurt your hands or have a chemical reaction with your hands. That is why I am wearing safety gloves. So now we're going to add some to this. Okay, yeah, that's enough, more than enough. And now we're going to put this cornstarch on top of it. So make sure to empty all the cornstarch and do this step without the fan on. The cornstarch could just fly. Be careful with this step so that your house doesn't get dirty. Yeah. And it's okay to become messy. We are using cornstarch. Of course, everything needs to get messy. And who doesn't love a little bit of mess during a science experiment? So now that we've emptied our cornstarch, we're going to take a spoon and mix this well. If your spoon is not working well, you can use your hands, but make sure to wear gloves. Now the spoon is not working, that is why I am going to use my hands. So we need to empty all the shaving cream, because we should not waste the shaving cream. And especially since this shaving cream is only used by all our dads. So now we're going to take all the shaving cream and cornstarch. Shaving foam
Yeah.
and cornstarch and then mix everything together well.
Alright.
So it will stick to your hands or your spoon. So after this step we have to wash our hands well. Yeah. Okay. So now it's looking like very less, because half of it is stuck to my gloves. Okay.
Let me see. Oh, it's snowing.
Yeah. So you can
Let's
Okay.
play with the snow.
fake snow, not real snow.
Oh.
Okay. So you can use your toys and imagine that they're playing in fake snow, or you can play it with your hands.
Let's do something.
And while playing, you don't need gloves, because now that we know that it doesn't harm our hands,
Yeah.
nothing will happen.
So why don't we make a snowland for our toys?
Ah!
Yes.
Okay, wait. But first we need to empty everything properly.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Let me help you.
Okay. This is a lot of snow.
Yes. And let's spread it.
Let's spread it.
Yes.
If you want to make more snow, you can have to use more shaving cream and cornstarch, because this is very less snow. But when we take our gloves off and just take
Shake.
shaky wakey. Oh my god, it feels like real snow.
Yeah. So why don't our toys go to the snowland?
Whee! Hey, wait for me. Ayo, I'm an ice cream. So I need snow.
Ooh, and let me throw some snow on them.
Whee! Yay. This is Miss Princess. So now that you know how to make fake snow, have this and make this, and you can even prank someone with this. But make sure to not sprinkle this in their hair. It will take a lot of time to wash off.
Yeah.
You can just put it on their nose like this, and they're like, what is this? Then they'll realize it's fake snow.
Yeah. Those are our toys.
We-
Hello. Hello, hello. Let's play.
So now that you know how to make fake snow, don't just sit there. Go and make some fake snow. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, here I am, snowing everything out. Bye.